Hello friends, in this video lecture, we will see what is interlayer communication associated with OSI reference model. In last video lecture, we have seen the concept of OSI reference model. OSI reference model has 7 layers, that is application layer, presentation layer, session layer, transport layer, network layer, data link layer, and physical layer. Numbers from 1 to 7 in bottom to top approach. Here in this diagram you can see that sender is having 7 layers and receiver is also having all these 7 layers. With the help of application, presentation, session layer, user interact with the system. That's why this application, presentation, session layers are known as user support layers. We have already seen that concept in the previous video. Interlayer communication happens within same system, means either at sender side or at receiver side. So at sender side, upper layer gives services to the lower layer. Means here in this diagram you can say at sender side application layer is going to interact with presentation layer. Means application layer provides services to the presentation layer, and at receiver end presentation layer gives services to the application layer. So we have seen at sender side upper layers gives services to the lower layer, or lower layer uses services provided by the upper layer. So we are dealing with the sender side. Or at receiver side, lower layer gives services to the upper layer, or upper layer uses services provided by the lower layer, that is at the receiver side. Means here in this diagram you can say this application layer gives services to the presentation layer. This presentation layer is basically lower layer and application layer is basically upper layer whenever there is communication between this application layer and the presentation layer. Or we can say this presentation layer uses the services provided by application layer, that is lower layer uses the services provided by upper layer at sender side. And at receiver side we can say that upper layer, example is application layer, uses the services provided by presentation layer, which is lower layer, and this happens there at the receiver side. Whenever there is communication between two layers, either at sender side or at receiver side within same system, so that type of communication is referred as interlayer communication. Means communication between this application layer and presentation layer is known as interlayer communication. Communication between this presentation layer and session layer is also known as interlayer communication. Communication between this session layer and transport layer is also known as interlayer communication. Communication between this transport layer and network layer is again known as interlayer communication, and so on. And at receiver side you can say communication between any two layers is known as interlayer communication. Let's say communication between transport layer and session layer is known as interlayer communication. Means this transport layer, which is lower layer, gives services to the upper layer at receiver side, that is known as interlayer communication. So this interlayer communication happens within same system through the interfaces provided there between the layers. Means at sender side we can say application layer interacts with presentation layer through this interface between application layer and the presentation layer. So there is interface between two adjacent layers. So theoretically we can say, by taking example of application layer and the presentation layer, that at sender side application layer, which is upper layer, gives services to the lower layer, that is presentation layer, in a top to down direction. So that is known as interlayer communication. Or we can say presentation layer, which is lower layer, uses the services provided by application layer, which is upper layer at sender side, is an interlayer communication. At receiver side we can say there is a presentation layer which is lower layer gives services to the application layer, which is upper layer, or in other language we can say application layer, which is upper layer, uses the services provided by lower layer, that is presentation layer. So this type of communication is referred as interlayer communication associated with OSI reference model. In next video lecture, we will see vertical communication associated with OSI reference model. Thank you for watching. For more such videos, stay connected with me. If you like this video, then share this video and do subscribe. Thank you.